After uploading billboards to a new event, the next step is to add custom overlays. Overlays are the graphics that get applied to the user's photos after taking a picture. The user can swipe between overlay options, much like Instagram or Snapchat. Uploading overlays works just like uploading billboards. You can upload up to 6 files per event. Just click on the upload icon and choose each file. So I'm going to go into my overlays folder and select them one by one. You'll want to put them in the same order that you'll want them to appear when the user swipes through them. So first one in first position, etc. Overlay files must be PNGs with transparent backgrounds and should be sized at 1800 by 1200. Once uploaded, you can preview them. From this section, you can also select your default background screen. Typically, a PNG logo file size to match billboards at 1920 by 1200. And don't forget to save.